Hi guys, today we're going to do a pen haul, unboxing, and all of that. We're going to go straight into it. This is my Uniball 3 pen collection in gold, silver, and white. I will be doing an unboxing and review over that. The next one I also got is the Faber Castell in the color and nude set. Next we have the Tombow dual brush pens in the pastel colors. This is their newest addition to their entire collection. Next is my crazy amount of jelly rolls. This one is the gold shadow jelly roll set. This one is the metallic set. This next one is the Glaze set. This one is a souffle, I think that's what it's called. Correct me if I'm wrong. This one is the classic jelly roll set. This one is the Moonlight set. And this one is a Faber-Castell marker. I also got these gel pens at Target to compare them to the jelly roll set that I just showed you guys to see if there's any difference, what has better quality. This is my findings right here. I'm gonna unbox this entire box here for you guys. I noticed that they're pretty pigmented as a pen. As a gel pen. They write pretty well. They're pretty smooth. I've never really had a jelly roll up until now, but upon opening this Target gel pen set, I find that these glitter sets are pretty good. No complaints about it yet. I was starting to have a lot of trouble with the pens. They were starting to get harder to write with as I started writing with them. I mean, I was having so much trouble right here. So I started really hating them after that whole thing. The glitters were great, but the regular colors were just not that great. Here's a close-up of the glitter black pen. When I was taking the shot, for some reason my hand got smeared all over with the pen ink. It wasn't just the black one, it was all the colors, as you guys can see here, so be mindful of that. The next one I'm going to show you guys are the Faber-Castell pens that I got. So in order to know if it's a brush pen or if it's just a 1-inch pen, you have to see that there is a B like this. I don't know if you can see that, but you have to have the B at the end in order to indicate that it's a brush pen. I really like the brush of these pens because they also give me amazing control. I wasn't really sure about the nude set. As you can see right here, it barely showed up on the paper, except for the tanner colors, but it was really hard to see with them. I think what I'm going to do with them is that I'm just going to use them for coloring and drawing. But the color set that I got is pretty. Pretty. It is so neutral and so nice to write with. The next set is the Tombow dual brush pen. I got this because I saw that these came out recently and oh my goodness, they are so beautiful. Look at that. That is so pretty, guys. This pastel set is my new favorite. This close-up right here is a close-up of the pastel purple. Again, Tombows, if you guys don't know, are dual tip. So we have the brush pen right here on the top, or the brush side, and then the pen side on the other side. When I started writing with these, I was so amazed at how pretty they were. I mean, I'm not doing them in like any order or anything. I just picked one up randomly and just put them together, or I just started writing with them. And the more I wrote with it, the more I fell in love with the colors, and the more I like, it's so pretty. There's just no words to describe how pretty these were. I mean, like, it's hard to see on screen the pastelness of it, but it's so pretty, guys. I 100% recommend this. So moving on to my jelly rolls. I have a bunch of jelly roll pens to show you guys. So this one is the classic set. So I was having like a hard time adjusting to it because I usually write with like 0.5 pens. So while using it, it was pretty smooth. It was a lot smoother than the Target brand, obviously. I didn't have any trouble with like getting the ink out. This next one is the metallic set. I was waiting for so long for this set because this one sold out so quickly everywhere I was. It's basically like a shimmery kind of color to write with. When I was writing with this, I was having trouble controlling the ink. I mean, like, it was just going everywhere. There's so much ink on the pens, it's crazy. Like, it was just so inky. My hands were like going crazy. Look at all that ink. The next one are these gold shadow jelly rolls. I was so intrigued by these. I love the color gold, so I had to try them out. First thing off the bat, they are so much darker than they look. It is crazy. And when I say they're even more inkier than the metallic, I mean that they are so inky. With my entire swatches right here, everything looks fine except for that gold shadow. The next set I'm going to show you guys are the Glaze set. Again, the same thing. They write really smooth. I didn't have a problem with, you know, having to get the ink out or having ink spill over me. The next ones are the Uniball Pants. Woo! So pretty. Gold, silver, and white. These help me write on the black paper so well. So pretty. Next one is the FiberFaber Castell. Oh my goodness, I cannot say that right. The Faber-Castell in white. I wanted a big marker because I wanted to see how it would show off on black cardstock. So upon writing all of this, I was like, oh my god, this is amazing. The next jelly roll sets I'm going to show you guys are the Moonlight. These are meant to be written on dark sheets. Again, I'm going to reuse my black cardstock from before. And as you guys can see, they're super pigmented and super neon for, you know, going on black cardstock. I mean, compared to the top section where I used a Glaze jelly roll, you can't really see. These show up very well. Definitely recommend if you guys have a lot of like dark surfaces to write on. I was having a really hard time getting the last pen out, dark pink. It would not write to save my life, so I couldn't do that. These Sophils markers said that it was meant for dark paper, but for some reason it barely showed up. It wasn't as good as the Moonlight set, so I did it anyways to show you guys because these are what the pens were meant for. I mean, I don't know why they say that, but yep, this is how they turned out on dark surfaces. And here are all the swatches for the dark surface pens and jelly rolls. Still can't get over this. Alright, so that is it for my pen haul, unboxing, and pen review. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below letting me know what you guys think of this video and what you guys want to see next. Subscribe to my channel so that you are up to date with everything that I have, and follow me on Instagram to see me use this stuff on my bullet journaling that I helplessly do not know how to do. Alright, see you guys later. Bye!